Yo, we as guys, we'll do anything to look more attractive, but what you don't realize is that all you need are two things: a tub of Vaseline and this video guide showing you how to use that. So today, I'm gonna show you 7 Vaseline tricks that will transform your appearance and completely change your life. Get started. Number 1, create your own fragrance at home that's gonna last longer. Look, every guy wants to smell better for longer. However, most colognes lose their effectiveness after a couple of hours. Before you realize it, you can't even smell it on you anymore. So, if you create your own Vaseline-infused fragrance, it would last forever. And here's how you're gonna do it. Start by boiling at least 1 liter of water in a pot. Once the water is boiling, you wanna place that whole tub of Vaseline inside of there until the Vaseline becomes liquid. Once it's melted, I want you to remove that Vaseline from the water and let it dry. You're gonna open the lid, grab your favorite fragrance, and spray as much as you want inside. The more you spray, the more intense it'll be. Me personally, I like to keep adding until my hand's tired, so I want my fragrance to be intense. Then, you're gonna let it dry for a few minutes. The Vaseline will go back into being a solid, and the next time you wanna apply a fragrance, just grab this and apply it to your pulse points, which will be each side of your neck, on your wrist, and even your jawline. These areas emit heat, which helps expand your fragrance. When you combine that with Vaseline, which helps keep the fragrance tighter on your skin so it doesn't evaporate, you're gonna be smelling good all day long. And just like that, I have now changed your life and how you use fragrances forever with something as simple and as affordable as a tub of Vaseline. And I'm not done, because if you really want to look attractive, I have 6 more tricks that you've never seen in your life. This moves us on to number 2. Use Vaseline to thicken your eyebrows. I want you to look at these 2 guys and tell me what the biggest difference is. Some of you might say the hair, maybe something in the jawline, but no, all of that is wrong. The biggest difference between the better looking guy and the bad looking guy is their eyebrows. They instantly make him attractive, and that's because well-groomed, thick eyebrows add structure and masculinity to the face, while thin and messy eyebrows will make you look asymmetrical and more feminine. If your eyebrows look anything like the guy on the right, you're gonna use Vaseline to fix it. You're gonna start by grabbing a little bit of Vaseline in between your fingers and rub it together until you emulsify it. Then you're gonna apply them to your eyebrows, pushing them upwards and outwards. You wanna follow the direction of the hair. What this is gonna do is it's gonna stretch each eyebrow hair till its full length. It's also gonna make the eyebrow hair look thicker, and ultimately the Vaseline will hold that in its place, giving you the illusion of thick, well-groomed eyebrows. Number 3, use Vaseline to get bigger and softer lips. This is the fastest way that you can improve your lips to make them look healthier and fuller with 4 easy products. Honey, you're gonna use Vaseline, coconut oil, and a toothbrush. Once you have those 4, you can get these from around your house. Once you have them, pay attention, because you're gonna do this routine. First, after you've done brushing your teeth, I want you to wash your toothbrush and then dip it in coconut oil. Use this to brush your lips. This is going to remove any remaining dead skin and then bring blood to the surface of your lips, while the coconut oil helps hydrate your skin to help repair any damage you might have done as you're scrubbing your lips, because your lips are very sensitive. Now, every guy should do this, because a study found that people that have fuller lips are seen as more attractive, both men and women. Now, this is a free way to do it. If you really want to take your lips to the highest level possible, I suggest you use the Kiss system from PMD. To use it, you just turn it on and glide it along your lips like you're seeing me do right now. This device uses a pulsating vacuum technology to remove dead skin and bring blood back to the surface, giving your lips more volume. It's way healthier and safer than just using a toothbrush alone. The second step though is that you're gonna now create your own lip balm to hydrate your lips. You're gonna mix 1 tablespoon of honey into your tub of Vaseline. You see, honey, it is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the environment onto your skin, while Vaseline protects the moisture, preventing it from leaving your skin. So when you combine both, you have a natural super product for hydrating your lips. And you see, in the study that I previously mentioned, researchers gave all the participants lip injections, and then they asked 51 women to gauge whether they were more attractive or less attractive after the lip injection. In every scenario, the pictures of men and women with fuller lips were seen as more attractive. Now, don't run and go get lip injections. That's not what I'm telling you to do. I'm trying to show you how important it is for you to have healthy full lips. And if you opt for the Kiss system from PMD, which is what I use, you'll also get hydrating peptides, which are clinically proven to increase lip hydration and stimulate skin regeneration through the hyaluronic acid in the product. And finally, and your third step is to reduce all salt intake. You're going to avoid the 5 saltiest foods, which are deli meats like your salami, instant noodles and ramen, fried foods like chips and chicken, store-bought soups, and Chinese food. When you reduce salt intake, you're gonna help prevent water retention on your cheeks, making your lips look fuller. However, look, you don't have to completely eliminate all these foods because the PMD Kiss system that I just showed you also comes with a lip plumping serum, which uses a mix of ingredients to produce collagen in your lips so they naturally look more full. Look, as a man, you're not gonna go get lip injections and you can spend the rest of your life using the natural routine I just showed you. But if you truly want to get a cheat code to look more attractive as a guy, you want your lips to look as healthy and as full as possible. And this Kiss system from PMD is a cheat code that most men have never heard of. And you're one of the first guys to do so. So if I were you, I would run. Click that link down below, check out the Kiss system and use my code because it's gonna make it even more affordable, and watch how you're gonna look match your face overnight using this tool. 4, use Vaseline to eliminate dark eye circles. I apply Vaseline under my eyes every night right before going to sleep to prevent these dark eye circles because I refuse to spend money on expensive eye creams. And you have to understand, pure Vaseline is the most effective occlusive moisturizer in the world, which means it's a moisturizer that prevents hydration from leaving your skin, making it highly effective for treating eye bags and dark circles. This is why you need to use Vaseline every night right before you go to sleep, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. First, you're gonna lightly dab just a bit on your middle fingers in the tub of Vaseline, and then lightly dab it under your eyes. Don't rub too hard because this skin is sensitive. You're gonna start all the way in the inner corner of your eye and move towards the outer of your eye. Look, it's okay if it's a lot or if it looks really oily or shiny because you're going to sleep with this. Think of it almost as an eye mask. The next morning, when you wash your face, you can wash all that excess off, and I promise you, your eyes will look incredible. Think about it. With just a tub of Vaseline, you've created the strongest fragrance you'll ever own in your life. You've thickened your eyebrows. You have softer, fuller lips, and have now even removed your dark eye circles. You have already transformed your face and your appearance for the better without having to spend on a whole grooming routine. And I still have 3 more hacks that you can use your Vaseline for that you've never heard of and will make you look amazing. Secret number 5, Vaseline will whiten your teeth. You see, most men think just whitening strips and brushing your teeth twice a day is enough to get white teeth. However, both of these approaches are wrong because these just focus on treating stains rather than trying to prevent them. So here's how you're gonna use Vaseline to prevent stains in the first place. You're gonna start by brushing your teeth as you normally would. Then you're gonna dab your fingers into the Vaseline and apply a very thin layer to cover your entire teeth. This is gonna create a protective barrier that prevents it from food stains as you eat. Number 6, use Vaseline slugging to make your skin look fuller and more hydrated. To get clear and glowing skin for men, you just gotta focus on one thing, and it's called Vaseline slugging. However, you should only use Vaseline slugging on areas where your skin actually needs it. So here's how you're gonna determine which parts of your face needs Vaseline slugging, and then I'm gonna show you how to use it. First, grab a large dry paper towel from your kitchen. You're gonna spread it out and then press it firmly against your entire face for around 30 seconds. Then you're gonna remove the paper towel and check for any oil stains. The areas with oil on the paper towel indicate where your face is naturally oily. So what you're gonna do now is grab some of that Vaseline and apply it to areas on your face where you notice it was dry or no oil was produced. This will help hydrate those areas, so now you can have an even skin tone that always looks great. Number 7, Vaseline is a superior exfoliant. I'm still waiting for the day where Vaseline sponsors me because I use it every single time to exfoliate my face. The reason I love using this product for exfoliation is because many store-bought exfoliants that you have contain harmful chemicals like your sulfates and your parabens, which end up damaging your skin. So here's how you're gonna make a homemade exfoliant using Vaseline. You're gonna start by putting 2 teaspoons of Vaseline into a bowl. You're gonna microwave that until it turns into a liquid. Next, you're gonna mix 1 tablespoon of sea salt until it's fully blended. You're gonna then pour that mixture back into a small container and let it harden. When you're ready to wash your face, take some of that homemade Vaseline exfoliant. You're gonna rinse it under some warm water and then apply it onto your face in circular motions. The granular Vaseline is not only hydrating your skin, but also lifting up any dirt from your pores, making it a superior exfoliant that's gonna leave your skin butter soft. I'm telling you guys, what you should do now is buy yourself a jar of Vaseline and try all 7 tricks I just showed you. Your face will transform. And if you really want to change your appearance of your face, I would check out that Kisses from PMD, bro. That is a secret most guys don't know about. See you guys next time.